Today we're going to talk about Splunk, big data, and the shift away from SQL. Let us recall the initial question of our course. What is big data? When thinking of Splunk, the answer is data that needs to be analyzed. This seems to be a common starting point for several of the big data tools we have surveyed thus far. The way in which these tools perform analysis, however, is a major shift away from the SQL paradigm. This is especially true with Splunk. Splunk seems designed to analyze a single source of data. While capable of doing some minor joins, it lacks the richness of a SQL database. Speaking of somebody who regularly uses SQL databases, this shift is somewhat discouraging. And speaking as a student of big data, I understand why this shift is occurring. Without the rigid schemas of a database, it may not be possible to execute queries quickly enough to be effective. I have a solution to this problem. I believe that somebody should design a two-tiered system such that it acts like Splunk in terms of handling text and extracting fields, but stores the extracted fields like a database. I have in mind something like SQL Server's indexed views, which allow the database to store an image of a view so that it may rapidly recall the results on demand. Please don't take my comments to indicate that I dislike Splunk. In fact, it's a wonderful tool capable of many things that a traditional database simply cannot do. I believe that the Splunk command line, especially the pipe functionality, is a really powerful mechanism for querying data. And Splunk's ability to directly show graphs and charts is much richer than what any database I've ever used provides. Thus, I'm advocating for the best of the past. That is the I. SQL joins, subqueries, indexes, and schema, and the best of the future, free-form text, automatic graphing, and dynamic data mining.